Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Destiny 2. To begin your journey, download the game, which is free to play on most platforms. Once installed, you'll start the new Light quest, an excellent tutorial. This quest introduces basic movement, combat, and story elements. You'll also choose one of 3 unique character classes: the Agile Hunter, the Powerful Titan, or the Magic-wielding Warlock. Each offers distinct abilities and playstyles. Destiny 2 core gameplay involves a continuous loop of activities. You'll participate in missions, strikes, and other events to earn experience points and new gear. Completing bounties and quests from various vendors is crucial for gaining rewards and advancing your character. Your power level, determined by your equipped gear, dictates your effectiveness and unlocks access to more difficult content. Gear is vital in Destiny 2. You'll collect a wide array of weapons and armor, each with unique perks and stats. You can further enhance your gear by applying mods, which provide various combat bonuses. Personalize your Guardian's look using shaders to change item colors and ornaments to alter armor appearance. This allows for extensive visual customization. Destiny 2 offers many activities, from simple patrols and public events to cooperative strikes and challenging dungeons. You can team up with friends in a fireteam for most content, enhancing your experience. Joining a clan provides a community, additional rewards, and makes finding groups for activities much easier. The game encourages social interaction and teamwork.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.